Ingredients: high-quality ground beef, salt and pepper, burger buns. Optional toppings: cheese slices, lettuce, tomato slices, onion rings, ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, or any other burger toppings of your choice. Instructions: preparing the ground beef. Choose high-quality ground beef. Opt for beef with a higher fat content for a juicier burger. Shape the ground beef into balls, creating 2 equal portions, each forming one side of the burger. Seasoning with salt and pepper. Season each ground beef ball thoroughly with salt and pepper. Seasoning enhances the burger's flavor. Heating the pan. Heat a pan over high heat. The pan should be very hot as this helps in rapidly cooking and searing the burger. The smash process. Place the ground beef balls on the hot pan and smash them flat with a spatula or a heavy, flat surface. This smash technique shapes the burgers into thin, even discs. Cooking. Cook the burgers until the bottom side is well seared, usually taking 1 to 2 minutes. Flip the burgers and cook the other side in the same manner. Adding cheese, optional. If desired. Add cheese slices to the top of the burger after flipping and cover with a lid. Cook until the cheese melts. Serving. Place the smashed burger into the burger buns and garnish with optional toppings. Customize with fresh vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, onion rings, and sauces according to your preference. Enjoy. Relish the taste of your freshly made smash burger. The quick cooking and high heat result in a crispy exterior and a juicy, flavorful interior. Remember, ingredients and portions can be adjusted according to personal preferences. This recipe is flexible and can be customized to suit individual tastes.